mistake I've ever made in my life is gone when I stamp this powder into my face with a damp beauty blender. It impaled my brain with my fingernail. I know. You gotta have some kind of shimmer. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a really quick, easy glam makeup look for when you're in a rush but you want to look really nice and presentable, and I'm going to be showing you that really quickly. So let's get into it. I'll show you all the products that I use and show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to start with the eyes like I always do with every makeup routine, and to prime my eyes, my favourite thing honestly to use is concealer. My favourite concealer to prime my eyes with is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. I feel like this works just as good as an actual eye base and maybe even better. I might do a testing video where I test one side concealer and test one side an actual eye base and see how that goes. But for every single eyeshadow look, it is a must thing to do. Put something underneath that. You've got to put concealer or something on your eyelid before you put any eyeshadow on, or it's just gonna not blend, it's not gonna look good, and it's gonna melt off throughout the day or night. Whatever you're doing, it's gonna be gone. So all your hard work and effort is not gonna be there for long. So you must use some kind of eye base like this concealer. This is brilliant because it's only £5. You can get it in Superdrug Boots, you can get it online, and it's absolutely brilliant. I do one eye at a time. So I just pop a little bit on my eyelid and then I blend that out with a little mini beauty blender. You can use a brush or even your finger to blend this out. As long as you get some on there, we're all good. See how quick and easy that is? That's all blended out and ready for the next step. So as we're doing a quick and easy kind of natural glam makeup look, I wanted to show you my favourite eyeshadow palette for more of a natural glam. Natural. So this was the first eyeshadow palette that I absolutely loved. My first slightly higher end eyeshadow palette, and when I say higher end I mean, you know, not like £3 off eBay, not like Makeup Revolution or something like that. Like there's nothing wrong with them palettes. So this is the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. Now I got this for Christmas off my auntie years ago and I have loved this to absolute death. Like if you're wanting to do a kind of natural glam smoky eye look, this has everything that you would need to do that, and it's absolutely great quality. Let me just have a look and check that they definitely still sell this. Oh my god, I'm looking on the Urban Decay website and it says that it's gone for good. Does that mean that they're not selling it anymore? Out of stock, gone for good. Oh my god, this little thing here says gone for good. I'm going to be using this because I want to show you how it worked anyway, even though it is gone for good. I mean, it says that you can get it on Look Fantastic and stuff like that. So maybe somewhere on the internet it is still available, but it's not on Urban Decay anymore, which is really sad. I think there's some similar Urban Decay, the actual Naked palettes, you know, like Naked 1, Naked 2, all them. So I think that would be quite similar. We're just gonna go with it. When I'm doing a quick and easy glam look, I like to use bigger, fluffier eyeshadow brushes because it just gets it on quickly, it blends it quickly, it smokes it out, done. Quick, ready to go. So this is a bigger, more fluffy brush. This is actually the Sigma Tapered Blending E35 brush, but any fluffy blending brush will do. One that's a bit bigger, you know, not a detailed one that's a bit bigger. So we're gonna start off with, usually I start off with the darkest colour and go outwards, but because we're doing more of a natural glam look, keep saying that, because we're doing more of that, I'm gonna start off with a lighter shade. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Commando first, which is this shade. It's a really like lighter nudie shade, and we're just gonna blend that, starting here and going all over the lid and up this way. Because this is gonna be a really quick look, we're not spending loads of time, the brush will do most of the work for you. So we can just blend that all over. Don't take it too far up underneath the brow, but just let the brush do most of the work. So like to take it out this way a bit, but you can just stop here and just go around and first colour on. So now that colour is sorted and blended out, I'm going to go in with the shade Instinct, which is just a slightly darker shade, and we're going to go over the top with that. But we are going to go in with the shade Lethal, which is this darker shade here. Now I know some people see dark shades and they're like, I can't use that one. Just watch. We're using a tiny bit on the outer corner, bringing it slightly in, just to give that more dramatic, glamorous, smoky look. Easy, glam, done. Now, I like to go around the edges with a lighter shade just to make sure everything is blended in seamlessly around the outer edge of the eye. So I'm going to go in with the shade Pre-Game here, which is a really light creamy colour. Just with the same brush, you don't have to use a different one. And I'm just going to go around the edge of the blend with that, just to make sure that everything is seamlessly blended in. As going out, I'd like to add a bit of glitz. I'd like to add a bit of sparkle, something a bit extra, you know. I'm very extra. If you've seen my Instagram, quite extra. So, you gotta add a bit of glitter. You gotta add some kind of shimmer. You gotta add something like that. This palette comes with nothing of the sort. I'm gonna be going in with the Juvia's Place Magic Palette, and I'm gonna be using this shimmer shade that is called Bronu, this one here anyway, and it is a beautiful gold shimmer. Now, with shimmers, they are so simple to apply to the lid. They look lovely on everyone. Just so there's a bit on your finger, start at this side and just dab it across and bring it across. Now we're stopping halfway, we're not bringing it all the way over. Now if you come too far across with your shimmer, this is where you can clean that up as well, if you're going in to darken it up. Yeah, so I went ahead and did the exact same thing to the other eye, off camera. I added a little bit more of the darker shade just to darken it up a bit and smoked it out slightly a little bit more because it was just a bit too, you know, simple for me. But anyway, moving on. This is a quick makeup look. I just talk too much. If you're doing it yourself, you're not talking, it'll be quick. So now for liner. Now liner scares everyone. Like everyone I talk to, like, I can't do liner. Show me how to do liner. I can't do liner. Little brushes and liner can be a little bit tricky for some people. So this is a really simple hack to do some eyeliner. Well, a bit of a smoky liner. Quick, easy, simple. So you need a brush that is an angled brush like this. It's like quite flat and it's just angled. Anyone will do. This is the Makeup Revolution angled brush, I assume. It's Makeup Revolution. And I'm just gonna go in with a black eyeshadow. So I'm taking that same palette and I'm using the Blackjack shade. And I'm just gonna go across my, what's it called? Lash line. That's what it's called. I'm gonna go across my lash line with a bit of this black eyeshadow. Just keep it close to the lash line. And that's it. It's that simple. Look at that, it looks like I've got eyeliner on, and that's how quick and easy it was. We're going glam, we want our skin to look flawless, don't we? So, we need to moisturise. I'm going to be going in with the Nivea Soft, Refreshingly Soft moisturising cream. I don't think it really matters what moisturiser you use, as long as you 100% moisturise. This one smells amazing, like, I absolutely love this. So a mascara that I have been absolutely loving lately, that I did not try until recently, is the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. And it's just a little one, so it's brilliant for taking it on the go with you when you need that little extra lashes. My lashes are actually awful, my real lashes, because I wear false eyelashes nearly every single day of my life. In fact, not nearly every single day of my life, definitely every single day of my life. Like, I'm not putting them on in this video because I'm showing you a quick and easy glam that anyone could wear, and not everyone finds it easy to apply lashes. So we need a good mascara if we're not wearing lashes. That's why I'm showing you this. Be careful when you're doing this, because sometimes I slip and stick my finger straight at my nose and nearly impale my brain with my fingernail, and it's not very fun, so I'd recommend not doing that. I like to cover any blemishes with a bit of concealer before going in with my foundation. We dab a little bit on. Don't blend it in, just let it sit there. We're just gonna wait 5 minutes for that to dry down before applying foundation over the top. Now we're gonna go in with foundation. My favourite foundation for all skin types, for the best wear, for the best coverage. Out of the millions of foundations that I've tried, it just is unbeatable. And I keep going between this and MAC Studio Fix and MAC Pro Longwear because they are my other two absolute ride or die favourite foundations. But Estee Lauder Double Wear is unbeatable. Going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend that all out all over the skin until we look flawless. Like, it stays on. I remember on one of my first nights out with my friend, we were obviously out all night, we got home, slept in our makeup, which we shouldn't have done, but you know, you do it sometimes when you're drunk. And I woke up and my face had not moved. Like, I remember taking a picture of myself and being like, what the hell? Like, I look exactly the same as last night. And that was after a full night out, a full sleep. So I'm going to be mixing bronzer and contour into the same thing. My favourite thing to use to bronze up my face and do a bit of contouring is the MAC Studio Fix foundation stick. My favourite shade to do it in is NC45, but I've run out of that and I've got NC50 at the moment. So it's a little bit darker, but we're just going to roll with it. Now, it's really quick and easy to blend this out as well. You can use the same foundation brush that you've used or your beauty blender. It gives a really nice bronzy glow, and these foundation sticks are amazing. They're so easy to blend out. We're going in again with my favourite concealer, the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16 Hour Camo Concealer. And we're just going to pop some underneath the eyes, a little bit on the nose, chin, forehead. Makes you look more awake, more in the room, more with us, like, hi, I'm here. As you can see, I'm awake. So as you can see, I like to use a lot lighter concealer just for, like, as I said, that awake effect. You can use whatever colour concealer you feel best. You can use a concealer that's the same colour as your foundation and your skin. It's just completely up to you. It's personal preference. This is what I like. I like this look. So that's what I do. I'm going to set this face in place and we are good to go. Obviously, we're going to do a bit of highlight and stuff, like, we're not good to go yet, really. The Jeffree Star Translucent Powder. It smells amazing. When it's pressed into your skin with a beauty blender, it literally blends everything together like butter. It is amazing. It smooths everything out, like everything is gone. Every mistake I've ever made in my life is gone when I stamp this powder into my face with a damp beauty blender. Go in with mascara and the eyes are done and good to go. Obviously, we're going in with my favourite glow, the Benefit Cookie Highlight. And watch this. Absolutely blinding. So we're going to go for a lip liner that's slightly darker and the lipstick that is a little bit lighter. And then we're going to go in with a gloss. Only because I'm not leaving the house. When I go out, I never wear gloss because it actually makes me angry when my hair sticks to my lips all the time. You know that feeling when you go to take it off your lips and it like drags the hair across your face and you just feel like you've just got lip gloss going up your face? I'm not about that. I am just not about that. So I'm not wearing it out the house. Using the Makeup Revolution Glory Lip Liner, which is like a brownie one. I'm going in now with the KKW Kylie Cosmetics Cream Liquid Lipstick in Kimberly. I really like that colour. Because it's cream, I don't think I need a gloss over the top of that. This is what it looks like. Okay, I've actually done. This is the finished look. Quick, easy, simple glam. I mean, it was meant to be more of a natural glam, but I don't really know how natural it is, but it's very quick and easy to do. I hope you learned some things from this video. I hope you learned some things from watching my videos and you really enjoy them, because I am absolutely loving making videos lately, and this is something that I really want to stick to and stay with because I am loving it. So if you've got any video suggestions, leave them down in the comments below for me. I will be replying to the comments of this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you again. Bye guys. This is my face. This is my face.